Hey guys, in this Vegas Movie Studio 15, I'll be showing you how to do multicam, which means get multiple cameras and put in your timeline and try to make them scene by scene. This is for Platinum and Sweet version. I don't know about the cheap version of Vegas Movie Studio. I don't know if it works or not. First, I want to get rid of picture-in-picture because I do not need it. And drag your videos in. It can be varied from what you're doing. What you do is drag it in. Do this while holding. And so it's like go from right clicking. You can do video only or audio only. But for me, I'm just going to add this drop rating because I do not have anything to help me synchronize or anything. No clapper. Do those clappers directors use to clap. That's what the clappers are used for. Next, get my other video. Why it decides to do this and not respond. Alright, now I'm back for this point when not responding. What you could do is just drop this in, or you can add view track, or just, like I said, just insert just with video or audio, whatever. For me, I'm going to duplicate the track. I'm going to insert a new video track and insert a new audio track. I'll move this up with that. Take this and drop it down. Now, this whole process, you want to synchronize your whole audio. Like I said, your project could be different from mine. Like I said, I do not have clapper. This is for paranormal investigation. Now, what I'm looking for is, I had this video all blank with me not talking. As soon as I talk, that's my cue to synchronize them. So what I'm going to go to, I'm going to listen to the video until I talk.
Alright, guys.
So I heard me speaking right in here. So what you're going to do is, you can also play around and try to synchronize it, but I feel it's easier just go in trimmers and play it in here. And just to get the synchronized point, like right there, it's already marked. Once you find your audio cue, hit M to mark it. Same thing with this one. Go trimmer and listen to your audio cue. This one I'd have the same thing. Mute it
Guys.
right there. So now I gotta split this control. Now just take it and delete it. Now get your two lines lined up for your synchronization. If you had to zoom in, right there, they're completely lined up, so they're completely synchronized with each other. So I'll go to the very end, delete. Now I'm going to drag this over and play back the audio.
Alright, guys.
You can see visually on the side here, it's synchronized together.
Alright, guys.
And the audio doesn't sound so echoey. Now, it's time for the multicam. You can have your own audio from somewhere. You can just have the video only and put in your own audio from elsewhere. I feel this one's the best one right here, so what I'm going to do is ignore grouping and delete. Now I'm going to delete this track. Just ignore this because this is actually a longer video. I don't feel like putting in. Now I'm going to split all that. Drag it over. Or you can just do Control, highlight them, and go to Group and add new group. So they're all together, but I didn't click the audio, of course. Or you can hit G, doesn't matter. So they're all together. Next is hold down Control. Click your videos so they're highlighted like that. And go to Tools, Multicam, enable multicam editing. You see this is highlighted. And you want this one, edit multicam audio with video too. You want that enabled. Now go create multicam track. What it does, takes the two videos and put them in one. Let me go back to get in.
Hey guys, I got two cameras running, my static camera.
Let's say my intro, I want this one. I'll just select this one.
And this one, it's basically like 2:20 in the morning.
Let's say if I want to switch, I hit this one.
My AX53. I got REM pod down here, you can see in view.
You can see I'm kind of lagging a bit, so I have to drop down the video quality down preview because I'm running in 4K. I also got Bandicam open, so every time you want to select camera, all you gotta do is just do this. Every time you select, it will select that camera, and it'll be on right here.
Millimeter out.
And that's basically the process of multicam editing Vegas Movie Studio 15, and the same as 14 as well. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy my Vegas Movie Studio tutorial. Please check out my other tutorials out. Peace out.